You have to watch this video, it's very, very important. As a forex trader, you need to understand this, that you have to imbibe a winning spirit. Yeah, very, very important. You have to imbibe a winning spirit, because it's with you full of a winning spirit that you can actually be profitable in the forex market. So how do you imbibe winning spirit as a forex trader? Fine, it's very simple, and but the discipline is very, very, very important. So how do you get winning spirit? How do you imbibe the winning spirit, the winning attitude as a forex trader? Yeah, the first thing you must do is you have to forget about what you know. Yeah, you have to forget about what you know. I know you've studied. Yeah, you've been to schools, you've read courses, you've attended different conferences, you've attended different meetings, you've attended different mentorship programs, you've studied very well, you bought books, you did that. Very good, that's good. But to imbibe a winning spirit, you have to forget about all those things that you've learned, right? Take your mind off it. That's the first thing you have to do. You have to set it aside. You have to free yourself from it. You have to take your mind off it. Yeah, that's the first thing you need to do. Then the second thing you have to do is to stay focused. You have to be focused. If you want to pick a GBP USD as a currency pair, pick only GBP USD. If it is Euro USD you want to use Euro USD. If it is gold, like myself, you use gold, right? You have to stay focused. You cannot be jumping from one pole to another, and you have to be focused. That's the second point there. The first one, remind you, I said you have to forget everything you know about forex markets. You have to take your mind off them. Then the second one I mentioned is to be focused. Pick a pair, stick to it. Stop jumping. No, don't forget you are imbibing winning spirit, so you have to be focused. A winner is always focused. You cannot be distracted. If you want to win, you must avoid distractions. So a way of avoiding distraction is to do what? Pick one currency pair to trade. Pick just one and work with it. The third point is you have to know what is happening in the market, which is very, very important. Now, once you open your chart, you pick your currency pair, you open the chart. Don't put what you know in your mind. No, look into the chart. What can you see? What can you see? This is where your experience now is needed. What can you see? Can you see any structure? Can you see any shape? Can you see any liquidity? Can you see any fair value gap? Can you see any other block? Right? You have to look at the market, look into the market, look into the chart, and pick what you can see. Yeah, just like when that man was healed by Jesus Christ, the question is, what can you see? Right? What can you see? The chart you are looking at, H4 time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. What can you see? right? You can see now why you don't need to put all those things you plant in your brain and be looking for them. No, you have to look into the market and what is the market showing you. What can you see there? From there, you now pick what you can see. Then you will now have to relate it with the experience. Okay, I can see that shoulder. Okay, I can see break of structure. Okay, this is uptrend. Oh, this is consolidation. This is downtrend. You have to see what the market is actually doing. That's very, very, very important. What is the market doing? Once you know this, you are good to go. Still on what is happening now. If it is confusing, go to minute 1 time frame. What is minute 1 creating? What can you see there? Because before 1 hour can be formed, it must now the candles in 1 hour be like 60 in 1 minute, right? So 1 minute is building up to form 1 hour. So that shows that right from that smaller time frame, you should be able to see something that is likely to happen in the market. Yeah, so you have to look at now what is happening now in the market, not what happened yesterday, not what happened day before yesterday. What is happening now? And don't forget that the chart pattern you saw yesterday may be different, or will definitely be different from today, because it's not the number of people that traded yesterday are still trading now. No. So you have to ensure that you are actually working with now movement, what is happening now in the market. Now pick what is working. Yeah. Look at your strategy. Look at all of them. Which one is working for you? What is happening in the markets now? Does it relate to what is working for you? If yes, then you go ahead and take your position. If no, you stay away from the market, right? You don't take trades just because what the market is doing doesn't correlate with what is working for you. It doesn't correlate with your strategy. So you stay away from the market. Continue your observation until the price or the market is giving you what actually correlates with your strategy. And once you see it, don't doubt. Take your position. Use minimum risk and take your position. Take your position. It may work, it may not work, but don't forget that it's a strategy that you are convinced of before you take the trade. And before you can settle down for one strategy, that means that strategy is good to go at 75, 80, 90% accuracy, right? With that, you are good to go. Easily, you can place your trades, set your stop loss, set your TP, do your risk to reward ratio, and you move into the market. So that's how you imbibe a winning spirit. Look into the market, what is happening now? Does it relate with what you know? Does it relate with your strategy? If it is, then you take your trade, and if not, you stay away. You don't force it, because it is not what you want. It is not your strategy. Wait for the market. It will definitely give you your strategy. Sure, wait for it and get it. So that is how you imbibe your winning spirit. Forget about what you know Stay focused, pick one currency pair, look at what is happening in the market now, if it correlates with your strategy, and if not, stay away from the market. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and give us your support. Thank you.